all are doing great. Apni sob bhal ase ola. Morom pura video last tak sai dibi kona request kore ase. Apni han notun thakile channel subscribe korna, bell icon bi dabai dibi kona request kore ase. Aro apni han notun thakile amara Instagram page bi follow koribi kona request kori ase. Good morning viewers. First news to enega ase 10 NNQF urge Nagaland government to approve 129 assistant professor posts without delay. तो C10 और NNQF खान पर तो urge करिसे government के Nagaland government के to approve 129 assistant professor posts without delay. So the Combined Technical Association of Nagaland and the Nagaland Net Qualified Forum have called upon the state government to approve the recent proposal for creation of 129 assistant professor posts under the Higher Education Department at the earliest. Addressing a press conference at the Kohima Press Club on Thursday, representatives of two bodies raised several queries concerning the government's latest notification related to recruitment under the Higher Education Department. They have expressed dissatisfaction over the lack of transparency and clarity on the matter. After receiving the government's notification regarding the requisition of 34 assistant professor posts to Nagaland Public Service Commission (NPSC) and the proposal for creation of 129 posts on July 11, C10 and NNQF has sought a meeting with the department and authorities concerned to seek clarity. However, they said their request for a meeting was denied. So, tahala request be denied korna ase koise aur tan ki demand korna ase koise we demand a public display of all the 29 posts said video khono a core member of the NNQF adding that all the 34 assistant professor posts in humanities, commerce and science have been requisitioned. No details have been provided regarding the subject wise distribution for the nature of this post. तो update to enega ase tahan C10 khan aro NNQF na Nagaland Net Qualified Forum khan tahan milagina ekta urge kore ase demand kore ase ki tahan na etu 34 post hoile assistant professor post hoile etu true tahan na deserving khan ke dibo lage aro etu NPSC exam logina direct recruit korala portibi tahan etu kotha koina ase koina apnike first janai dibo pare ase. Viewers, second update to ase bishi important ase illegal structure demolish at Dimapur District Hospital compound. तो Dimapur District Hospital compound phale etu eviction drive korina than illegal structure demolish korise. Update to enega ase ki the Dimapur District Administration accompanied by Dobashish and police personnel carried out an eviction drive on Thursday morning to reclaim illegally occupied land within the Dimapur District Hospital compound. Two illegally constructed structures operating a shop in front of the hospital staff quarter were dismantled during this drive. तो इतो drive ला সময়তে इतो shop तो থাকা তোলে ভাঙাই দিছে কইনা আপনাকে জানা আছে আর deputy commissioner DR Tinojongshi Chang informed this newspaper that demolition was carried out following a complaint lodged by the district hospital Dimapur in 2024 regarding illegal encroachment on hospital land. तो इतो update to enega ase ki tahan demolish kora toile district hospital khan pora etu complaint dia karone tahan etu bhagaina ase koina enega ase the eviction drive was conducted on Thursday after verification of complaint, he said. So after verification gora pishe dehi etu eviction drive to login ase kose aro etu update la sabte sources lab se etu janibo pare ase ki complaint pa piche tahan enega complaint ke investigate korina tahan etu demolish korise koina apni ke janai di ase.